Hello everyone, welcome to Raj Malhotra's IAS Academy. Every day when we read newspaper, we feel difficulty in finding those places which are frequently asked in UPSC prelims. So, to help you out with these kind of areas or geographical places, we are coming up with a new video that is known as PINS, that is Place in News. In this video, I will be demonstrating how to cover geographical location which are very important for your prelims perspective. For example, recently our Vice President visited an area that is Tungabhadra Dam area in Karnataka. And as Vice President visited this area, this become important for your UPSC prelims. Now, this dam is also known as Pampa Sagar. It is built on Tungabhadra River. It is built on Tungabhadra River, which is located in Baleri district of Karnataka. This dam was built in 1953 by Dr. Thirumulai Iyengar. About the significance of this dam, it provides irrigation facility to 6 districts in total, 3 from Karnataka and 3 from Andhra Pradesh. For example, Baleri district of Karnataka, Kopal, Raichur, which are famously known as rice bowl of Karnataka. This is important fact for your prelims that Baleri, Kopal and Raichur are known as rice bowl of Karnataka, and also nearby area of Anantapur, Kudappa and Karnoor of Andhra Pradesh are being supplied with water for irrigation. Beside that, this dam also provides for hydropower to nearby industrial area. So hence, कहीं ना कहीं ये multi-purpose project lifeline है इस area की. And if we talk about Tungabhadra River, so we have to know that Tungabhadra River is a sacred river of Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka area. And this river is also known as Pampa River since ancient time. It is not a very big river, only 710 km long, and it is a tributary of Krishna River. So that's why it become important to study Krishna River as well. If we talk about Tungabhadra River, it is made up of 2 tributaries. One is 2 water stream, you can say, Tung and Bhadra River, which joins at one place to form Tungabhadra River. There are various tributaries of Tungabhadra River, that is Bhadra, Haridhara, Vedati, Tung, Vardha and Komvathi are the important major tributary of Tungabhadra River. Now, let's see what we have to learn about Krishna River. Krishna River originates from Mahabaleshwar in Maharashtra. Major left bank tributaries, those tributaries as it flows towards the Bay of Bengal, as the motion of river is towards Bay of Bengal, तो ये नीचे की तरफ जब जा रही है तो जितनी भी river which comes over the upper side will be the left bank tributary, and those which are marked with blue pen will be your right bank tributaries. Okay, so let's see which are the major tributaries which we have to learn. Major left bank tributary is Bhima, Sena, Dindi, Halia, Musi. Musi is very important as Hyderabad city is located on the bank of Musi river. So that's why it becomes important. And Paleru and Muneru, these all are left bank tributary of Krishna river, which are Bhima, Sena, Dindi, Halia, Musi. Musi के ऊपर we have Hyderabad city located on this particular river, Paleru and Muneru. What are the major right bank tributaries if you ask? These are known as Koyna, Varna, Panchganga, Dudhganga, Ghatprabha, Malprabha and Tungabhadra. This particular river was in news, so that's why हमें reverse engineering करके we come across a river known as Krishna, which we can say was recently in news. So question can be asked about Krishna river. For example, which of the following is a right bank tributary of Krishna river? You have Ghatprabha, Malprabha, Varna and there is one option of Musi. So you can eliminate easily. Such kind of map will help you in your mains exam as well as prelims, because whenever you are talking about Krishna river dispute, Krishna ya Kaveri river dispute, if you draw a map along with that, it will give you +1 marks. And also during prelims you can even easily remember these kind of tributary. So that's why you have to learn this tributary by making you can learn these rivers by making map of this river on your own. So you can take a screenshot of this, or you can also make your own drawing. So once again let's read this thing. महाबलेश्वर से ये ओरिजिनेट करती है, महाराष्ट्र से ड्रेन करती है बे ऑफ बंगाल में. It has certain important left bank tributaries which are Bhima, Sena, Dindi, Halia, Musi, Paleru and Muneru. It has certain right bank important tributaries, that is Koyna, Varna, Panchganga, Dudganga, Ghatprabha, Malprabha and Tungbhadra. Now the question can be, from which state this Krishna river flows from? The answer is, you have to remember KTME, Karnataka, Telangana, Maharashtra and Andhra Pradesh. So that's all you have to remember about this particular piece of news. And I hope this video is very helpful for you to prepare for your upcoming prelims. और ऐसी वीडियो और भी आती रहेंगी with due course. आज की वीडियो में इतना ही. थैंक यू वेरी मच.